Yeah? What about
I like my fairing!
Sorry guys that we suck and we're not moto vloggers. I mean, that was a huge fail on our part.
We got so frustrated. We got to the point where all we could do is just laugh. It was laugh. And every time we thought something was going to work, it started to like downpour on us. And I was like, great. There goes Cine Audio.
Hey guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Let me tell you how badly we failed this week. But first, coffee.
So today's video was supposed to be this one, right? And what is this?
This week we put together a 124, put an S&S HPT 496 cam in it. Brand new cam on the market. It's tuned with a Thunder Max. Well, it's going to be tuned with a Thunder Max. We haven't been able to tune it. That's kind of been the holdup on this video. And rather than just putting out a video of another engine build, I wanted to have a complete package from start to finish, pre-tune and post-tune all in one video. And unfortunately, we weren't able to make that happen this week.
So my windshield came in for the Advan Black ST fairing, and so I was able to throw that on, and I was very excited to take it for its first spin. Of course, we got rained on.
Boy, did we get rained on.
We got rained on. We decided we were going to do a moto vlog, and failed. Yeah, the mics didn't work. The cardos were breaking up. Disaster. Well, guys, we failed. It was terrible.
We are not moto vloggers.
No. So we have Cardo Pack Talks, and they didn't connect very well. There's a lot of static, and then my microphone was broken, and it was catching too much wind noise, and it was just a complete failure. Disaster. It was a total disaster.
Real quick, if we want to rate a Cardo, how would you rate it?
Right now, very low, but I'm also not very tech savvy. It's not my area of expertise.
Neither one of us
There's
are.
Probably some of you tech savvy people could be like, oh, you just do this and this and this, and we were like, what to do. So we didn't get very much talking done. There is some ride footage so you guys can see the ST fairing in action. I really want to say that I love it. I am so beyond thankful and grateful for these pieces that are now on there. The front and rear fenders, the side covers, and the ST fairing. Every single place that we stopped today, somebody made a comment about how awesome my bike is. We went to the Harley dealership. We went to several gas stations.
We decided to go to Lee and Rick's.
Yeah, ate dinner, which is one of my favorite places. But every place we stopped, somebody made a comment about how beautiful the bike is. That was nice.
What do you think of what I like to call the baby shark?
The baby shark, yeah, I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm in love with it. I'm obsessed.
Would you trade this fairing?
No, I think it looks great. And I think Cujo's going to continue to evolve and get a few other pieces put on her and powder coated. The tank's going to get further painted. So she's really going to come into her own in the next year.
I'm just going to say that I apologize that we weren't able to make the engine and the tune happen all in one. There were some things that were kind of against us this week. Parts wise, we had some wrong parts in the beginning. We were able to get them, but we didn't get them in time to be able to get it together to get it tuned. So some factors happened here. But all in all, we had a fun week.
Such is life, you know, things happen. We got to go to a haunted house with some of our friends. That was a lot of fun. And coming up is my Halloween party, so I'm doing a lot of work inside the house. The house is a complete disaster right now. Going to finish up this and hopefully get it tuned for the following week.
Yes.
And then we'll get that video out to you, which I'm really excited about. A huge thanks to Advan Black. We really love working with them, and we're going to continue to do so. So we'll bring you more stuff. So stay tuned for that. We have some fun things coming up.
We're going to do a complete teardown on an Evo.
We've got Biketoberfest coming up.
So we've also got a meet and greet coming up for Biketoberfest, which is what, 2 weekends away now.
Correct.
That's coming up very quick. We have our Halloween party here at the house this weekend, and then the following weekend we will be out in Daytona. We'll be at the Fairing Exchange at Destination Daytona in the parking lot, and we'll be there from noon to 2.
I mean, we'll be there all day.
We'll be there all day.
Yeah, so if you see us walking around, stop and say hi.
What else do we
Anyhow,
have?
life happened this week, so we don't have anything too exciting for you, but there is definitely some exciting things coming up. Guys, go to advanblack.com and check out their stuff. I'm absolutely loving it, as well as cross threads. My cross threads things on here are really popping, and once I get more of that color in there, Spike's gonna look really good.
Comments on the green too.
Yeah, well, and the tank itself, it was kind of mixed. Some of you guys didn't like the gold color, and some of you loved it. It's growing on me definitely a lot, and I think it's really going to blend more once we put the design in.
And so since we have you guys here and we have this moment, I'd like you guys to leave in the comments some things that you'd like to see in the future. Some things that we've done that maybe you like or make better, and also some things that you guys realistically, give me some realistic goals, give me some thoughts, ideas, critiques, whatever. Leave it down in the comments for me.
How about also tell us, are there any bike rallies that you guys would like to see us come and visit? So stay tuned until next week. Should be really good content, and we'll see you then with your cup of coffee.
Wherever you be, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Stay upside, and we'll see you on the flip.
Peace.
To escape, and here we are, driving narrow streets in a rusty car, leading to the sea. Think we're getting close. We should take a pic, baby, strike a pose. I remember every day that I spent right here with you. Yeah, you are the one who makes me feel as good as I do. Baby, I wanna still act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio.
This is Florida. Sunny?
Yeah. Sunny, rain, kind of sunny, rain.
We're at one of my favorite restaurants. If you ask me what my top 10 restaurants in this area are to eat in, this is one of them. This is Lee and Rick's. Lee and Rick's is a no-frills oyster bar. It has been here since 1950. I kid you not. Rick and his wife Lee, they started this. He used to take his truck and drive to Apalachicola and get oysters, and that's all it was. You could bring your own drinks, and it has become a tradition in this area, and it's still here today, and it's still family owned, and I love me some oysters. Chris, not so much.
Not on the oysters. No.
Not so much, but there is some other food for him to eat, so
Absolutely.
I'm gonna go indulge and eat too much.